Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we have to start the next chapter, chapter 4, HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. This language is used to create a web page. When we want to create a web page, we have to use hypertext markup language. As we all know, every language has certain rules and regulations. For example, in English language, you have to know the alphabets. Same is here. In hypertext markup language, we have to use tags. We have to use tags to create a web page. Hypertext markup language uses tag to create a web page. And these tags, we have to use these tags with certain rules and regulations. Essential tags in HTML are: the first tag is HTML tag. The first tag is HTML tag. HTML tag is used to define the web page. This is the main tag, and by the help of this tag, we are able to define a web page. With the help of HTML tag, we are able to define a web page. The next tag is head tag. Head tag contains the information of web page. Head tag contains the information of the web page. This web page contain what? The introduction कह सकते हैं उसे. टाइटल भी हम कह सकते हैं कि हाँ, हम टाइटल अगर चैप्टर का नेम देना है तो हम हेड टैग के अंडर देंगे. हेड टैग के अंडर हम चैप्टर का नेम, जिस्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर, वो हम हेड टैग के अंडर लिखते हैं. द नेक्स्ट वन इज टाइटल टैग. The next one is, this tag contains the title of the web page. Title tag contains the title of the web page. और title tag को हम head tag के अंदर लेते हैं. Head tag के अंदर हम title tag को define करते हैं. And the last essential tag is body tag. All the information which we want to display in our web page, जो भी information हम अपने web page पे display करना चाहते हैं, all are under the body tag. The essential tags in HTML are HTML tag. HTML tag define a web page. Head tag. Head tag contain the information of the web page. Title tag. Title tag contain the title of the web page. And body tag. Body tag contain all the information display in our web page. Web page में जितनी भी information हम दिखाना चाहते हैं वो सब हमारी information body tag के अंडर आती है. These are the essential tag. Without these tag, we are not able to design our web page. These are the angular brackets. These are the angular brackets in which we have to define our tag. First, we have to open the angular bracket. Then, write down the name of the tag. And then you have to close the angular bracket. This statement is for opening the tag. When we complete our coding related to this tag, we have to close this tag with the help of next angular bracket. We have to open the angular bracket, then put the slash sign and then write down the name of the tag. This statement close your tag. To create a HTML web page, you have to use the Notepad software of your computers or laptop. Open your Notepad file and then write down. First you have to write down the HTML tag. Inside the HTML tag, the head tag is there. हेड टैग के अंडर मैंने आपको पहले बताया था पहले वीडियो में, ये टाइटल टैग, वी हैव टू डिफाइन a title tag inside the head tag. Title tag contain the name of the chapter. Like this chapter is HTML. We have to define HTML over here and then close the title tag. After you write down the title tag and close the title tag, you have to close the head tag, because head tag is used to add title or introduction of your web page. Now the essential part is the body. Body tag we have to define. Inside the body tag, you have to write down the paragraph, an image, whatever you write in your web page. This is my first web page. And then close the paragraph tag. After writing down the information, you have to close the body tag, and when all details of all the tags are given, after that you have to close the HTML tag. You have to use all these tags when we want to create a web page. After write down all the tags and details of the tags, go to the file menu, click on the file menu, then click on the save option. When you click on the save option, save as dialog box is open. save as dialog box पे आप फाइल नेम में देंगे नेम ऑफ द फाइल और वेब पेज, लाइक चैप्टर 4, और नेम के बाद आप डॉट डाल के HTML लिखना ज़रूरी है. अगर हम HTML नहीं लिखेंगे यहाँ पर फाइल नेम में, एक्सटेंशन नहीं डालेंगे, तो हमारा वेब पेज क्रिएट नहीं होगा. चैप्टर 4.html नेम डालने के बाद हम यहाँ पे सेव पे क्लिक करेंगे तो हमारा ये वेब पेज क्रिएट हो गया. This web page is created. The title of the web page is HTML and the content is this is my first web page. By the help of these tags, we are able to create a web page.